Sometimes the heaviest burden we carry is not our problems, but our refusal to forgive. In the gospel today, Peter asked Jesus, "How many times must I forgive? 7 times?" Peter thought he was already being generous, but Jesus answers, "Not 7 times, but 77 times." Jesus is teaching us something very important, that forgiveness is not something we count. It is something we live. Then Jesus tells a parable about a servant who was forgiven a very large debt by his king. The king showed him great mercy, but that same servant refused to forgive someone who owed him a small amount. The message is simple. If God has been so merciful to us, we are also called to be merciful to others. So, during this season of Lent, the Lord gently invites us to let go of resentment and open our hearts to forgiveness. Because when we forgive, we do not only free other persons, we also free our own hearts. And the more we receive God's mercy, the more we can share that mercy with the whole world. Amen.